This episode goes out to my dad. He's a serious bear fan. And how about I show you that there are that animal species that are related to bears have been around for ever since the Ice Age, starting with this one here, Arctodus. Arctodus is one of the ancestors from the great bears. They've been around since constellation years. Yeah, much like modern day bears, Arctodus are mostly known for being highly intelligent and, well, they're intelligent animals. Much like modern day bears, they bathe 3 times a month. Also, these animals are claiming to be incredibly strong. Arctodus are known to be... Yes, Dad? Anyway, here's his fur. These guys are related to and are often known as cave bears. Don't worry, guys, I'll be drawing an actual cave bear soon. This guy is one of the cave bears, actually. Alright. There he is. That is how you draw Arctodus. And wow, he looks great. Very fantastic indeed. If you watch any bear-related movies, may I suggest the one that just came out this year? You know what I'm saying. Anyway, be sure to check out the Prehistoric playlist, and I've got more just like this on the way. Good night, guys.